If your strategy depends completely on patents, your whole business could be at risk. Hi, I'm Raymond Hegarty, IP advisor to CEOs of high-growth companies. I'm also the author of 3 best-selling books on IP strategy for business. There are 4 main classes of IP that are relevant to high-growth companies: patents, trademarks, copyrights, and trade secrets. Most business owners know about these types of IP, but when people talk about IP strategy, they still tend to focus only on the patents. Don't get me wrong, I love patents. I've harvested billions of dollars through patents. But if your IP strategy depends completely on patents, and you come across a competitor who has the ability to undermine your patents, your whole business basis can be at risk. That's why we recommend a multifaceted approach, where you have patents, you have trademarks, you have copyright, you have trade secrets, and other forms of IP. And they're all working in concert to give you a stable business, so that even if somebody does attack your patents, your strategy is robust and you maintain your advantage. If you found that useful, you can see another one